Once a price list is created, you can continue to add items to it. To do this, go to Configuration, Account Settings, and find Products and Pricing in the navigation menu on the left. Click on the edit icon beside the price list you want to add items to. Click Add Item, and your product list will open. Search for and select the items you wish to add, and then click on Add Item in the bottom left corner. A second way to add items to your price list is to do it from your product list. This is a helpful way to add items to multiple price lists. From the Products and Pricing page, click on the edit icon beside the product list. Select the items you want to add to your price list, either by searching for them or scrolling through the list. Once selected, click on Add to Existing, just above the product list. Select the price list you want to add the items to. A pop-up may appear if duplicate items are detected. Select whether to ignore or replace the item and click Proceed. The items will be added to your price list, and you will remain on the product list screen. If you want to make more additions to other price lists, begin selecting items from your product list and repeat the previous instructions.